Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to receive WhatsApp messages both on your smartphone and on your PC simultaneously. Let's go! On your computer, open a web browser and in the search bar type in web.whatsapp.com. Hit enter. It takes you to WhatsApp web and you will see a QR code on the screen. Now you need to take your smartphone, unlock the screen, open the WhatsApp application and tap on the three dots at the top right on Android or gear icon at the bottom right on iPhone and go to linked devices, tap on link a device and just scan this QR code. Wait for a while. That's it. Now you have an exact copy of your WhatsApp right in your web browser, and there is another method. You can also install a WhatsApp desktop application. To do this, hit the Windows button on your keyboard and go to Microsoft Store. Now click on the search bar at the top and search for WhatsApp. Click on that. Click on Get. Getting ready, checking some dependencies. Now just open the application, right click on the icon in the taskbar and pin to taskbar if you need so. Now click on Get Started and repeat the same action. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone, go to Link Devices, tap on Link a Device, and just scan this QR code. It takes time, be patient. And guys, that's pretty it. Now you will be logged out after 30 days of the main device inactivity, so keep it in mind. And I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel if yes, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.